Office Accelerator provides the ability to create an unlimited number of custom fields. To create a new custom field, from the Office Accelerator Phonebook File menu, select Edit Custom Fields. From the Edit Custom Fields dialog box, click the Create New button and enter a name for the new custom field. Next, select the field data type you'd like to use. You can create text, date, time, and number fields. Click the Create button and click Yes to confirm the field creation, which will open the Field Properties dialog box. From the Details tab, you can edit the name of the custom field or make the field inactive. From the Access tab, you can modify access rights to the field. This is useful in a multi-user environment. From the Default tab, you can add a default value to the custom field. From the Text Format tab, you can specify text case and other text rules. And from the Drop-Down tab, you can add drop-down list selections. Click the Save button to save your settings, and click the Done button to close the Edit Custom Fields screen. To use the newly created custom field, add or edit a contact. From the Edit screen, click the Fields tab to view your custom fields and enter values. Click the Save button to save your settings. You can view custom field values from within the Personal Dashboard by clicking the Fields tab.